Hi guys, just going to show you how to wire a telephone line, telephone socket into your house or office. It's just a normal telephone line. Just what all you got to do is you got to take this off, like so. That just clips in. Leave that to one side. And you've got this, and on the back of it you've got that. Now what you do is you put your telephone lines is up with live, so your telephone lines is the white one and the red one. Now what you've got to do is you've got to put that up like that, upright. Your white one, doesn't matter which ones that go in, but I always say put the white one in the top one and the red one in the bottom. So I'll do that now. You just like clamp onto them. So if you just move that one out of the way. Make sure it's tight. And then your red one in the bottom one. Make sure they're tight, Now that's done that. So you've got your white on the top and your red on the bottom. There you go. And what you do is you just stick that in there. Make sure you're not putting the screw through the wire. And it's 2 long screws that go into there. I need some new screwdrivers. Would help if you have a better screwdriver like that. That's in there. All you've got to do is you've got to get this one. You don't have to put anything in them. You only put something in them if you've got more than one telephone line in the house. So all you do have to do is just for the one telephone line, is just clip this into there, like so. That's in now. And just screw the little screws in. There you go, that's all done, and you're ready to plug in.